Yeah, hi. We are from SVS Embedded. The project title name is Vehicle Speed Limit Controller. So in this project, we are using an Arduino Uno R3 board and HT12D and HT12E RF communication modules. So one is transmitter module, another one is receiver module. Receiver module should be kept on vehicle unit and this should be in roadside. So there should be a speed limit. So the vehicle should be going on the road with some speed. If there is a some speed limit, RF should send the signal to the transmitter to receiver. Receiver will analyze that there should be a speed limit. So according to that, the vehicle should control. So HT12D 433 MHz frequency, and those are connected with A0, A1, A2, A3 pins, 4-bit data, and 16 cross 2 LCD display. RS enable D4, D5, D6, D7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, and a speed controlling L293D driver AC and one DC motor. It is connected with 6 pin. So when we start the vehicle, we need two switch buttons, increment decrement button. So those are connected with 4 and 5. So entire section should be kept on vehicle unit, and this is the transmitter unit R433 MHz HT12E. Speed limits are 80, 60, 40, 20. 9 volts battery power supply. Let us coming into the hardware part. So here we are using an bridge rectifier, filter capacitor, 7805 regulator, and one LED. So let's start with power supply. Vehicle speed limit controller, L293D driver AC, and two switch buttons. Those are connected with 4 and 5, increment button and decrement button, 16 cross 2 LCD display, character LCD display. Whatever the process is going on, that should be displayed on the LCD. And here we are using one RF transmitter unit. Speed is 0. So RF 433 MHz receiver module, and this is the transmitter module. Now I am going to increase the speed. 10. Motor started. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70. So 80. There is a speed limit of 60. 60. So if the vehicle is moving the road, so there is a speed limit. So overspeeding. So capsing speed to 60 mph. Yeah, motor speed is decreased to 60. So actually it is going 80 speed. There is a speed limit of 60. So the speed is come to 60. So now I am going to 100 maximum speed. Yeah, speed increased. So max speed is 100. So now I am giving 80 speed. There is a speed limit of 80. So cap overspeeding detected. Capping speed is 80. Now it is come down to 80 speed. 80. So now I am giving to 60. Yeah, 60 mph. Yeah, speed decreased. Okay, speed is 60. Now 40. Yeah, 40. 20. Overspeeding detected. So 80, 60, 40, 20. Yeah, speed will decrease. 26. So you can decrease and you can stop also. So here the HT12D decoder, HT12E encoder, 433 MHz, maximum 5 meter distance. You can extend also using Zigbee communication. So there are 80, 40, 80, 60, 40, 20 speed limits. And this entire section should be kept on vehicle unit. Okay, so there is a speed limit of 40. So vehicle going is a 50 speed, vehicle moving 50 speed. So there is a speed limit of 40. Okay, 60, 40. So overspeeding detected. So like that we can go for different speedings also. So come down to 40. Yeah, thanking you. If there is any doubt, let me know to SVS Embedded.